Pakistani guys and women. Here we are in Islamabad, me and a friend of mine, Elizabeth, from Italy. This is our last day of big travel in Pakistan. We starting from Islamabad. We arrived by plane. We starting from Ferry Meadow through the north. We arrived at Nanga Parbat base camp. It was amazing.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, इमरान शफ़ी विला के साथ में हूँ आपका अपना होस्ट इमरान शफ़ी। और आज हम मौजूद हैं इस्लामाबाद की एक छोटी सी गलियों में G9 मरकज़ में। और हमारे साथ यहाँ पर इटली के कुछ दोस्त मौजूद हैं और आइए हम उनसे ही आपकी मुलाकात भी करवाते हैं और उनसे हम आपकी बात भी करवाएंगे। Here is Elizabeth and here is Stefano. So let's start to talk with him.
Like a dream to see Nanga Parbat. We were very lucky with the weather, so it was an amazing experience. After this, we go through the north, through many places with a guide that is not a really guide, but is a friend of a friend of mine that live in Italy, and a very special driver, Dalil Shah. Dil Shah. The trip was amazing. We saw many local places in the mountain. We saw many beautiful people, including really seriously all the people that we meet with different culture, like Sunni, like Shia people. Very nice experience. Everybody is very comfortable with us. The nature, the mountain that we found in Islamabad, you cannot find in every other part of the world. Also because we are a true traveler. We see a lot of places in the world, but for example, with the plane from Skardu to Islamabad, we saw an incredible group of mountains that you cannot find in other parts of the world. Now we are in Islamabad. We are waiting this evening to be back in Italy. As you can see, we are in local places with local people. We take some food from different places. Everything is very good. People are very lucky, very gentlemen. What we can say more? We can say thank you very much, Pakistan. Thank you very much, Pakistani. Thank you very much from woman, man, everyone here. We take you in our heart. We will be back, and we will speak a lot about Pakistan and Pakistani people in Italy or in Europe, in our home, in order to show that everyone can be ours here without any type of problem, any type of issue. Every people will help us for everything, and yeah, maybe we will back tomorrow in the future, maybe in Kalash, maybe in we hope so much also for Kashmir situation. We would like to go in Kashmir. Hope that
I'm also from Kashmir.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yeah, we hope that NOC will be available for tourists, because that means that situation will be better for population. And inshallah. Thanks you a lot.
How you compare the weather of Islamabad and with Italy?
The weather?
Of Islamabad and Italy.
Yes, the weather is...
the climate is here in Islamabad and the climate in Italy. Which one is suitable for you?
I don't understand. Which? Sorry.
How you feel the weather is here?
The weather?
Yes. And the weather in your country?
Maybe here is... In this time, more or less the same. but because in Italy in this time it's hotter than normally. This summer it was very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, and very humid. Normally, for example, she come from plain locality. I
Yeah.
come from mountain locality.
Yes.
But it is 2026. It's very hot also in Italy. So more or less it's the same now. Maybe.
Same now, yes.
Maybe hot here, but not so hot like instead of Italy.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
you.
And one of thanks again. I will meet you again when you come here in
Yeah,
Pakistan.
surely.
So,
Why not?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.